Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also leave positive feedback of what you would like to see more of on my channel in future videos to come. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me while I clean up my children's rooms, and also some footage from the 4th of July holiday, along with me cooking and spending time with my family. Hope you enjoy. And just a warning, you guys are gonna see a hole a hole in my leggings. Mind your business. These are my cleaning pants. I have a lot of yoga pants that's hard to part with. I know some of y'all can relate, like it's just that comfortable pair of pants or shorts or whatever, a shirt that you just can't part with, and it's just like I just use it to clean up with. It's fine, don't worry about it. So as you can see, I'm cleaning up my daughter's room in this clip, and it's just hard to find something to put all of her toys in because she has like a lot of odd shaped toys. So right now I'm just using like a clear storage bin that I used it while we were moving. And I'm trying to find something that we can put her toys in. So if you have any suggestions or any tips or anywhere I can get a toy storage bin for my daughter's toys, just leave it in the comment section for me. So here's just a finished product of the children's rooms once I cleaned it up. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with the boys' room. I feel like it still needs something more. Maybe some more pictures, a beanbag chair or something like that, and something that I can put their toothbrushes and lotions and everything on the top of their dresser, like something like some type of organization bin or something like that. But yeah, this is the finished product of their room, and then I have their names up on the wall. I thought that was cute, but like I said, I wanted to try something else. And then here's my daughter's room, the finished product. Everything's cleaned up. Her room is really not ever that bad. If you know, you know. Boys are way more messier than girls, so this is the finished product of that. And like I said, I just need to find something to put her toys in, and we're done here. In this clip, I am preparing dinner for that night that I finished cleaning up the children's room. We did chicken fajitas that night. If you watched my grocery haul, I talked about me making chicken fajitas. So this is the night that I'm doing it. I'm just going ahead and seasoning my meat with Lori's pepper and I think garlic powder. I believe that's it. And then I just sauteed the chicken in some olive oil and then put the fajitas mix. I'm sorry, the fajita mix in the chicken, and that was it. And it was really bomb. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So it's the holiday, and we on the grill. We just putting hot dogs and hamburgers and stuff on, but they're not on yet. He's starting to grill up. Say hi, baby.
Hi. YouTube.
Oh, God, I probably shouldn't have came out here. Anyway.
How about you step over here?
Right. I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of what we doing today. I'm not gonna be on the camera all day. I'm gonna show y'all like the fireworks and stuff later. We playing cards now with the family. I just seasoned the meat. I'm gonna show y'all that a little bit later. I seasoned some of the turkey meat. We don't eat beef or pork. We don't eat beef all the time, but yeah, we do turkey burgers. We got some brats, some hot sausages, hot dogs. What else do we got?
Turkey. You said turkey sausage?
Turkey sausages and some regular smoked sausages for those that eat the pork and stuff. We got chicken wings. My sister wants to go get some chips and dip, some little snacks and stuff. We're not doing nothing too big. We just kind of trying to keep it calm because we really not celebrating 4th of July. We doing Juneteenth.
We celebrating family.
Right, we just celebrating family, okay? Say hi to mom. Hi, mom. Oh, God. So, yeah, I'm going to check back in with y'all later. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of what we doing. And, yeah, I'm going to come back on when we start the fireworks. Gonna get it popping. Gonna show y'all a little bit of footage. In this clip, I'm just seasoning the turkey meat for our hamburgers that we were throwing on the grill for that day. I believe I showed all the seasonings that I used. Again, Lori's, we use Lipton's onion soup mix. It's so good in turkey meat, I swear. And some Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, we used some of that. And I also used some barbecue seasoning from McCormick's. That was really good too. So yeah.
Oh yeah, we up there. Hey, them for sure coming down.